We're here at IQ Student Accommodation Bankside site. We were brought in on the site as design consultants to undertake a plant room redesign and relocation from the roof to the basement for planning application reasons. The project took about 10 months from start to finish, from our initial meetings with Ideal Commercial sales reps to the contractor product selection and installation. We chose to work with Ideal Commercial because we have a fantastic relationship with them. They've always provided us with fast and efficient advice, suggesting us the right product for the correct application. The boiler in particular for this project is an Imax Xtra 200. The boiler was chosen because it has a high efficiency, a compact design, and it's a reliable design for our projects in particular.
The leading point was the design of the CHP, which was to lead the heating, and then the boiler was to act as a top up when the CHP couldn't produce enough energy. The pumps would then pump up to the roof into a low loss header, which would then go and serve an underfloor heating system. I think Ideal Commercial have been really helpful throughout the design process, putting forward all the different units that can be selected, which ones are best for our application, and good specification text and support throughout the design process.
I would recommend Ideal Commercial to other consultants because of their helpful service, their friendly advice and great products.